Hi everyone, I've been asked to do a video about my new aftermarket exhaust that I fitted to the Can-Am Ryker 900. The exhaust itself is a Asbo brand, Attitude 2, stainless steel exhaust. Obviously it sits in exactly the same place as the other exhaust did. It's about 50% lighter than the original exhaust. Does it make any difference to the power and the speed? I'll be honest, I'm completely unsure. Does it make a difference to the noise? Absolutely. You can now be heard rather than not be heard, which is always a bonus. As you can see, it's all stainless steel end. Not sure what you can see from down here. Really easy fitting, 2 springs at that end, 1 bolt there, and it can be delivered anywhere in the UK. It is a UK based product. Fitting is also available if you wish. So you can either have it posted out to you or fitted, both exactly the same price. And the other bonus on these comes with a full lifetime warranty. When we say lifetime, we do mean the lifetime of the exhaust. Any issues with it, anything, just take it back, they'll look at it, see what they can do to fix it. I suppose you're all waiting to hear what the exhaust actually sounds like now. So I'm going to pop the camera down and get on and give it a whirl. There we go, that's the Asbo Attitude 2 Can-Am Ryker exhaust system. UK based, Lancashire based company in fact. I'll stick a link in the details below, and there'll also be a flyer pop up at the end of the video with all their details on it. Hope you like the video, like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a few of these on some of my updates. There'll be a fair few things spoken about and upgraded on this. I think the next update is going to be the Dynajet system, computer system for it.